we're up there at that old alfalfa field, about 5 or 6 acres. This is the first first gravity wagon load. We got the grain cart hooked up, and he's dumping onto it, and then I'm taking from the cart to the wagon. So, one thing's for sure, it is hot. I mean, yes, the weather is hot, but the corn is, I mean, you can feel it. Just as it's coming out of that wagon, you feel this steam. So, it's hot. I don't know what the moisture's running. He's checking the moisture as he's dumping. So yeah, first corn of the season. Yee-yee! So we moved, we got that little 6-acre field done, and here is the grand total. Yep, 172.7. So right around 170. We'll get it good. So it's better than what we thought. I mean, that was the first planted, I can't remember. So now we move back here to the that little road, that little 6-acre field is to the very back to our neighbor here. This is the second year we farmed the grain farmed his grain ground. So we're back here in the back 2 fields. There's one big one right there and one right here. So, and then the other 2 fields are soybeans. So yes, we had to trek through the soybeans to get back here, but nothing you can do about it. So he's on his first round around it. He cut 3 swaths back here, so I could get back here in the tractor and wagon. So I'm just gonna wait here until he comes back around. So yep, there he comes right there. So there he is right there.